much you always wanted to do that. Once you hear the sound of crashing metal, you never forget it. Car wrecks can happen in an instant. One of the questions I get asked all the time is, when do you need to hire a lawyer? The job of a lawyer is to sit down and explain to you all of your rights and obligations after a wreck. We want to make sure that you understand what you're legally entitled to and what you're legally required to do. People may hire a lawyer if they've had serious injuries in a car wreck. They may have issues as far as long-term permanency or lost wages, or are worried about paying their medical bills. Or you may have been involved in a car wreck involving multiple automobiles, 3 or 4 vehicles, or even a dozen on a highway pileup. One of the things that a lawyer's job is to do is to get out and do an investigation to try and figure out in what order things happen and who is at fault and responsible for the collisions. There may also be a situation that involves a complicated car wreck. For instance, those involving tractor trailers that not only are regulated by state law, but also by federal law. And the lawyer's job is to determine the interaction of those two sets of laws. At the end of the day, my job as a lawyer is to make sure I've explained all of the rights and options available to my client in their case. It's important to note that it's not the lawyer's case, it's my client's case. So my job is to make sure that they can make an informed decision about what's best for them and their families. If you have additional questions, feel free to go to our website at www.lawmed.com. If you have questions, we have answers. Go for it.